I just work hard and deliver good results, and the career advancement will come. 10, 20 years ago, maybe, but not anymore. With an average career in company being 3 to 5 years, it takes more than hard work to build your career and to advance. In addition to that quality work, which is a given, personal branding and promotion are the name of the game. For all of us. Here are my 5 tips to boost your career. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals just like yourself. In case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe below here and hit the notification bell to not miss anything. Most of us will work for several companies during our career journey. Many will also move into entrepreneurial adventures as company founders or as freelancers. Very few will have a lifelong career at one company. I mean, have a look at these examples of Fortune 500 companies on this PayScale study. So here's an interesting statistic from PayScale. PayScale actually listed the Fortune 500 companies and the median age and tenure. So Eastman Kodak Company, median age 50, tenure 20 years. That's the number one. And then we can see for all the companies, so average drops below 10 on position 7. And then we can see it starts going down. We are on position 100 more or less, with Abbott having 4.9 years average, 38 years average age. And then I mentioned 3 to 5 years, so we're already on that 3 to 5 years bracket. PepsiCo 3.9, 212 position, Cisco. And then we start getting under, we're halfway on the 250 list, and we can see that average tenure has been going down to 3.5 years already. So half of Fortune 500 companies, average tenure 3.5 years or less. Walmart 3.3, and then all the way under 2. So we start getting very low numbers here, but already with big names. So what is the impact of this for us as talent? We, and only we, are in charge of our career advancement. We need to steer our career planning, deliver stellar results, and then differentiate through personal branding and promotion. Here are my 5 tips for you. Number 1, change the mindset. From lifelong careers, 10, 20 years in one company, the career ladders, into you being in charge of your career, you planning your career, whether it's happening in company A, B, or C, or normally a combination. That mindset that you develop yourself, you know what you need to advance, and you're in charge. It's your project, it's your career, it's your life. Number 2, craft your personal brand. Do your own little brainstorming using Post-its or notebooks. How do you want the world to see you as a professional? Whether you're in finance, marketing, operations, how do you want them to see you, and how does it convey the message on where you're heading in the future? How you want to advance? How do you want them to see you? Once you have those pieces together, then pick up your Post-its and fix your LinkedIn profile and your intranet. It's always, I know it's not always working that nicely and easy to understand, but intranet is your company's way of having a look at your profile, and people use it. But for the outside world and the inside world, LinkedIn. So once you have your own personal brand, what do you want to communicate? How do you want the world to see you and the company to see you? Fix LinkedIn accordingly. Follow things that are part of that brand. Fix your banners, professional photos, your summaries, in a way that reflect not just who you are now, but where you're heading in the future. If you have company wallpapers for your LinkedIn, I would highly recommend to use them. That shows that your commitment, your motivation is there, because ultimately LinkedIn is not to post pictures of your puppies or your family trips. LinkedIn is an egoistic professional advancement tool. So why not put that company logo there? Especially if you work for good brands, let it shine there. Promote your company, but also at the same time promote yourself. Number 4, network for future success. You got skills, you got talent, and you're communicating that. But networking is what will get you to the next places as well. You network with the decision makers, with the people of power, with the ones who are in charge of advancing you to the next level, whether it's in this pillar or another division. Network. It's much more crucial to network, especially when the tenures are shorter, and you need that network also to recommend you potentially outside of the company. Number 5, continuous learning and bridging the gap between now and where you're heading in the future. It's also branding, it's also promotion, to ask for training, to actually you mapping. If you're a manager, you want to go to director, what's the gap? What do you need? What education, what learning, what skills do you need? Ask for those within the company or do them outside with your own possibilities. Continuous learning and promoting that you're a learner, that you're picking up pieces, important components, communicating that, that's branding as well. So too many talents still think that advancement is a tenure and merit based only. That is a dark road to travel, and to realize the truth, too late. Don't be one of them. Take action, shine, and advance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.